Hey, what's up guys, Nathan here, back with another video, and in today's video, I bring you episode 15, that's right, 5 more videos until, a 10 episode special. So that means, there will be 2 parts to, episode 20, and possibly even 30 if there is one. And I also might make a holiday special with my friend, and hopefully my brother as well. So that's going to be amazing. So be sure to check that out. I'm not going to make this video as long as my other videos because... Oh, also, sometimes I just... Well, I'm not going to make this video as long as my other videos because sometimes it's hard to edit it because it doesn't... I can't really explain it, but I guess you'll... I'm not even going to pause that. It doesn't even take that long to do. Also, by the way, did you install the update on Minecraft? 1.14.0, I think it is. Yeah. So, don't want to take too long. So, this might only be a 3 or 4 minute video because, like I said, my device can't handle that much footage anymore because it just likes to act up when it's overheated. Like when the heat is on. And sorry if you hear music in the background. Hopefully it's not copyrighted or something. So, anyways, don't want to look in there. Well, on the holiday special, by the holiday special, I will most likely have a solution to the problem of the ender pearls. There may only be one way, and you should find out in the holiday special. Hopefully I don't forget. Please remind me in the comments down below. And at that, I'm gonna say well, since there's only 4 days until Christmas, which that's when I'm going to make my holiday special, episode 16. And then the next Saturday after that, episode 17. I'll try to have some other people on as well. Hopefully. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Also tap that bell to be notified of my future videos that I post on YouTube. And also, my friends didn't tell me it yet, but I think he will soon. I think he has his own YouTube channel. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah. So I'll see you in the holiday special.